Is farmers insurance more expensive? Farmers insurance is often considered more expensive than some competitors, but pricing depends on several factors, including location, coverage options, and personal risk profile. While farmers provides comprehensive coverage and strong customer service, its premiums can be higher compared to budget-friendly insurers. 1. Factors affecting farmers. Insurance pricing. Farmers' insurance rates vary based on individual risk factors, such as driving history, credit score, location, and policy choices. The insurer also offers various discounts, which can lower premiums for eligible customers. 2. Comparisons with other insurers. Farmers. Insurance tends to be priced higher than budget carriers like Geico or Progressive, but is often competitive with companies like State Farm and Allstate. The higher cost is typically due to more extensive coverage options and personalized customer service. 3. Discounts and savings opportunities. Farmers provides multiple discount options such as bundling home and auto policies, safe driver rewards, and discounts for military members or long-term policy holders. These can help reduce overall costs and make policies more competitive. Fourth, value versus cost consideration. While farmers insurance may have higher premiums, customers often find value in its policy customization, claim support, and additional benefits. For those seeking robust coverage with strong customer service, the price difference may be justified. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance. Down.